Bungy's been such a good boy. I'm going to get him a nice chicken sandwich from Popeyes. Want some Popeyes? You can get it because you've been a good boy. And if anybody's going to enjoy a chicken sandwich, Bungie will, and I will let you enjoy it. Okay? You can have whatever you want. You 16 years old. You lived your life. You lived your life. You outdid yourself. You've been strong, active. You walked around the world. You had a lot of things that you should be proud about. And me, I'm proud about it. Because you had me out there with you. You had me out there fighting dogs, cats, deers, chickens, real chickens. I even think yes, and a turkey.